recent times. What would you suggest OP to do if you were in her or his, actually I'm not sure, situation? I suppose it should be possible to get a restraining order, but let's see what the update says. Update to the mother-in-law story. I wanted to give an update for everyone going into the weekend. This is a good update. My lawyer and I spoke to the CPS rep and provided all of my son's medical records and showed every time he went to the doctor, urgent care, etc. CPS also did a walk through the house with the lawyer present, and overall the visit went really well. The agent found a few small places for improvement, but nothing that was of concern. About 2 weeks after the visit, 1 week ago, I got another visit from the same CPS agent saying that more accusations have been made against me and my wife this time and that they have to investigate again. I asked if the accuser was my mother-in-law and they could not confirm who made the accusation, but my wife called her mother and she did confirm that it was her mother that had made the call again. My wife was on the phone with my mother-in-law while the CPS agent was in the house. I had my wife put her on speakerphone so the CPS agent could hear both sides of the conversation. My wife then asked, "Why are you making false statements to the police and CPS?" My mother-in-law's response was that since I was abused as a child, I was 100% going to do it to my son and she wants to protect him. My wife then asked a very pointed question of, "So you lied to the police and to CPS to further your agenda against my husband?" The mother-in-law's response was, "Yes, I lied, but it was for the child's name safety." At that point, the CPS agent had heard enough, filled out some forms, and left. My wife and I were beyond mad about how brazen the mother-in-law has been acting. I ended up getting a call from the CPS agent and she told me that she had relayed the details of the conversation to my local police department since mother-in-law had called them to make a report. She said to speak to Detective Bob, not his real name. I reached out to Detective Bob and sat down with him, my wife and the lawyer. We ended up filing a report about the false accusations. The good thing in my city is that the police take a no-nonsense approach to false accusations and will go after people that do make them. The police did interview my mother-in-law and she did admit to making false statements and lying to police about the report. She has now been charged with falsifying a police report and making one other charge that I forgot at the moment, but she's been charged. On a side note, Detective Bob was very supportive of me when he found out that the reason why my mother-in-law was making the reports was due to me being abused as a child. He provided phone numbers for help and even brought in a counselor if I needed to talk to one. I was very surprised of how he treated me with respect throughout the whole process. My wife and I have also sat down with an estate lawyer and completely written her out of our life and stated that she is not to have custody of our son. We listed other family members to take care of our son if we both die, and the other members have agreed to do this. We have also decided to file a small claims court case against a mother-in-law for lawyer fees that we had to pay to cover ourselves. The lawyer did agree to keep the fees to the maximum for small claims in Ohio. Thank you everyone for your help and support. And guys, unfortunately we have already reached the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed today's stories, and if you haven't already, please also go to patreon.com/ripeyoutube, where I upload exclusive Reddit videos starting at just $3 a month. This is a great way to support me in case you are interested, and the chance for me to become independent from YouTube revenue. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and I hope to see you again tomorrow.
Hello friends, and welcome back to the new episode of r/I Don't Work Here Lady. And our first story about you don't have to be the boss to fire a bad employee. I fired a guy who didn't work for me. So here's a different one for you. I'm a locomotive engineer / conductor. One time I was called on a work train as opposed to a thoroughfare. Though it's just bringing a train from point A to point B, one city to another kind of thing, a work train is a train where you work with a foreman and a crew to fix track, lay new track, or even just clean ditches. As a conductor of these trains, my only job is to tell the engineer what to do and when, while supervising anyone that may be working around my train. Most often the guys working near my train are contractors and don't have